Have you ever looked at an old photograph of a loved one and wished you could see that person speak again? With AI, you can take an old photograph, turn it into a digital avatar, add an audio recording, and create a video where the person appears to speak with synchronized lip movements and facial expressions. In this video, I'll show you the complete process of creating a talking photo of a deceased person using Zoice, from preparing the old photograph to generating and downloading the final talking photo video. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zoice.com. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In or Try Zoice. This will take you to the login page where you can access your existing account or create a new one if you're using Zoice for the first time. If you already have a Zoice account, enter your email address and password, then click Login. You can also use Continue with Google for quicker access. If you're new to Zoice, click Sign Up. Enter your name, email address, and create a password or register directly using your Google account. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to the Zoice dashboard. Since I already have an account, I'll go to the sign in page, select Continue with Google, and choose my Google account to log in directly. After signing in, you'll arrive on the Zoice dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click Avatar Characters. This is where you can create and manage your custom avatars. Now, let's create an avatar from our old photograph. Now click Create New. Here, you'll have the option to upload your own image or generate a new character using an AI prompt. Since we're working with an old photograph, I'll choose Upload Image. Now give your avatar a name and upload the old photograph. Try to use the clearest version of the photograph you have, especially around the eyes, nose, and mouth. Once the image is uploaded, click Generate Avatar. Zoice will now process the photograph and create your avatar. Once the avatar is ready, you'll see it inside the Avatar Characters section. Click on the avatar we just created. Now we're ready to turn the old photograph into a talking video. Now click Generate Video. This opens the video generation workspace. Here you can create a video using a written script or your own audio. Since I want the photograph to speak using an audio recording, I'll use the audio option. Now select Generate from Audio. This option allows us to upload an audio file and use it to animate the avatar. For this tutorial, I've already prepared an audio recording that I want the photograph to speak. Click Upload Audio and select the audio file. You can use a prepared voice recording or narration for your video. Once the audio is uploaded, Zoice will use it to synchronize the person's mouth and facial movements with the voice. Once the audio has been uploaded, click Output. Here, we can configure the video settings. First, choose the aspect ratio for your video. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, you can select 9:16. For a standard YouTube video, you can select 16:9. For this tutorial, I'll select 9:16. Next, select your preferred video resolution. Choose the resolution that works best for your project. Once the resolution is selected, we can move on to the animation settings. Now click Action Prompt. Here you can control how the person moves while speaking. You can write your own prompt or choose one of the suggested actions. Since we're working with an old photograph, I'll keep the movement subtle and natural so the animation doesn't overpower the original image. Once you've chosen your action, click Add Action. Before generating the video, check all of your settings one more time. Make sure you've selected the correct avatar, uploaded the right audio, chosen the correct aspect ratio and resolution, and added your preferred action prompt. If everything looks correct, click Generate. After clicking Generate, Zoice will first create an audio preview. Click Play and listen to make sure the audio is correct. This gives you a chance to check the audio before generating the final video. If everything sounds good, click Generate Avatar Video. Zoice will now begin generating the talking photo video. The processing time may vary depending on the audio length and the settings you've selected. Once the generation is complete, your talking photo will be ready. Now click play to preview the generated video. Check the lip sync, facial expressions, and overall animation. Make sure the movements look natural and that the audio is synchronized correctly. If everything looks good, we're ready to save the video. Click download to save the final talking photo video to your device. And that's it. We've taken an old photograph, created an AI avatar, added an audio recording, and turned it into a talking video using Zoice. Now let's watch the final result. As you can see, the old photograph has been transformed into a talking video with synchronized lip movements and natural facial animation. This can be used to create a respectful memorial video or preserve a special memory in a new digital format. Let's watch the final result.
Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here. Life is full of precious moments, and the memories we create with the people we love are truly special. Always cherish those memories, stay positive, and keep moving forward. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
And that's how you can create a talking photo of a deceased person using AI with Zoice. All you need is a photograph and an audio recording, and you can turn that still image into an animated talking video in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what AI tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.